你當我老馮啊？老馮 is something that you say to someone who expects favors or takes things for granted. But how would you express 老馮 in English?
2分鐘左右美式英語 2ish minute American English.
A simple adjective that we can use is entitled. Entitled. The British may say entitled, emphasizing the T sound a little more.
Entitled. Entitled.
For example,
These cats are spoiled and entitled. These cats are spoiled and entitled. They also think they're entitled to every seat in the world.
Entitled princess!
Entitled 亦都可以指有權做某事嘅意思。
He's legally entitled. He's legally entitled.
Besides the word entitled, you can also use the following phrases. Take things for granted. Take things for granted. 或者當某人係老馮。Take someone for granted.
I'm tired of being taken for granted. I'm tired of being taken for granted. People always take what they have for granted. People always take what they have for granted.
Let's not take it for granted.
Please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe.
英文文法練習請到theinkworkshop.com. Thanks for watching today's video and I'll see you in the next one.